Just working on the outer rockers on the 63 C10. These are LMC rockers, or outer rockers, floor as well too. It's a whole floor that I put in there. Looks like they're lining up all right here. This is kind of where that divot in the metal is, so you can do some welds in there. I just got a screw in there. See, it's not bad on here. I might have to hammer that in a bit or do a relief cut here. That's on the front. And then the back is kind of out of lunch too. Same thing, I just tapped in a screw to hold it in. I'll weld that up. Here, it's not too bad. You can see that's kind of, I'll have to hammer that and bend that. Over here, it gets kind of wonky. You can see the ridge right here where it kind of divots in. That's not really going in. I'll have to probably do a relief cut in here and try to fold that in. With the door closed, it's tight here. I got a gap on that side. I don't know if I can shift it up or down, or not too sure. My door's not that great either, so it's hard to tell. You can see I got a good gap there coming across, and it's pretty tight there. It's not lining up very well right here, but this door has a dent, and this is kind of sprung out as well. Not too bad. On the up in here, I had to replace all this, pretty much rebuild this lip up to right here. They don't make a patch panel for that. See, this is pretty out to lunch here too. So I don't know if it can't go that way because it's tight down here. I might have to cut that and weld that too. So just about done that. Driver's side, I'm still working on. You can see I already got this all finished. Kick panel, and then same thing for here. This is off the old firewall. I cut it off. That's where the reset is for your brights. I still got to do some welding there. And then this lip here was all rusted out to about here. So it was kind of folded over, so I'm just starting to tack weld in here and grinding it on, kind of rejoining this to this part here. Then I'll have to beld the lip all the way down just so it kind of matches. This one I'll still have to, it's a little bit wider here. I'll trim that down so it matches. But I don't really know if you see any of this stuff anyway, but I might as well do it right. So yeah, starting to get back on it. Crown Vic front clip, not sure how that's gonna go yet. Just gonna finish the cab and try to get it painted underneath and then push it back in the garage. I got winter coming. And then I'll have to start back work on these things as well, but getting close. I don't know if it'll be ready for 2025, but it'll be pretty close.